The 1883 eruption of Krakatoa stands as one of the most catastrophic and influential natural disasters in recorded history. Situated in the Sunda Strait between the Indonesian islands of Java and Sumatra, Krakatoa's violent explosion not only obliterated the island itself but also unleashed a series of devastating tsunamis and climatic disturbances felt around the globe. The eruption's immense power was heard thousands of miles away, and the resulting atmospheric effects created spectacular sunsets for years. The tragedy took a tremendous human toll, with tens of thousands perishing in the aftermath. This story delves into the cataclysmic event, exploring the geological dynamics at play, the human experiences of the disaster, and the profound and lasting impacts of Krakatoa's 1883 eruption on our understanding of volcanic and climatic phenomena.
In 1883, the world witnessed one of the most formidable natural events in human history, the eruption of Krakatoa, an island volcano nestled in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra, Indonesia. This cataclysmic event not only reshaped the geography of the region but also had far-reaching effects on global climate and vividly demonstrated the power of nature. The series of explosive events began in May 1883, with increasing intensity, but the climax of the eruption occurred over 2 days, August 26th and 27th. On the morning of August 27th, a series of 4 enormous explosions almost completely destroyed the island. The third and most powerful explosion was heard as far away as Australia and the island of Rodriguez near Mauritius, approximately 3,000 miles away. The eruption ejected more than 25 cubic kilometers of rock, ash, and pumice into the atmosphere, creating a volcanic column that reached well into the stratosphere. The finest ash particles were carried by high-altitude winds around the globe, affecting climatic conditions and creating spectacular sunsets that inspired artists and puzzled scientists worldwide. The immediate aftermath was devastating. The explosive force of the eruption and the subsequent collapse of the volcanic island generated enormous tsunamis, some reaching heights of over 40 meters, 130 feet, which obliterated over 165 coastal villages on the surrounding shores of Java and Sumatra. The death toll was staggering, with estimates ranging from 36,000 to over 120,000 people, making it one of the deadliest volcanic events in history. Beyond the immediate destruction, the eruption had significant global climatic effects. The following year, 1884, experienced unusually cold temperatures, and weather patterns were disrupted, leading to what many called the year without a summer. The dust and sulfur dioxide released into the atmosphere led to spectacular sunsets, noted in paintings and diary entries of the time. The Krakatoa eruption of 1883 also marked a significant moment in the field of volcanology and the study of Earth's climate. It spurred the development of more systematic and scientific approaches to observing and understanding volcanic activity and its wide-ranging impacts on the planet. Today, the eruption remains a powerful reminder of nature's force and a pivotal event in our ongoing quest to understand the dynamic planet we call home. The legacy of Krakatoa continues to intrigue scientists, historians, and the general public, symbolizing the awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying power of our natural world.
One audible impact. The fact that the eruption's sound was heard as far away as Australia and the island of Rodriguez near Mauritius, about 3,000 miles away, stands out as an incredibly rare phenomenon, emphasizing the eruption's immense power. 2. Global climatic effects. The eruption influenced global climate to such an extent that it led to vividly colored sunsets around the world for years afterward and contributed to a noticeable drop in global temperatures, a phenomenon that underscores the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. 3. Atmospheric phenomena. the eruption propelled so much ash and dust into the atmosphere that it affected weather patterns and created optical phenomena, such as the volcanic twilight, which were observed and recorded by people worldwide. 4. Tsunami generation. The massive tsunamis generated by the eruption, which obliterated coastal villages and caused a significant number of the fatalities associated with the event, demonstrate the multi-hazard nature of significant volcanic eruptions. 5. Scale of destruction. The near-total destruction of the Krakatoa island itself, with much of it sinking beneath the sea, illustrates the profound geophysical changes that can occur during such eruptions, altering the geography in a matter of hours. 6. Cultural and scientific impact. The eruption had a lasting impact on culture, art, and science, inspiring works of literature and art while also spurring advancements in the field of volcanology and atmospheric science.